Hey Glam Squad, you guys want to see this wig that I got from Amazon? Isn't it beautiful and lovely? Let's get into this wig. Check out this wig I got from Amazon. I'm gonna turn around because I got my address. Again, this is an Amazon wig and it's from the store called NICY store. It's spelled N-I-C-Y. And it was my first time testing out the vendor, and I will be an avid buyer. As you can see on the package, it does say NICY Hair or NICY. I think it's NICY. I'm gonna call it NICY. The vendor was super sweet, and any question I had, they got back to me in a timely fashion. They made me very comfortable and confident enough to spend my money on this wig. Okay, so this is how it came packaged, with the plastic wrap. It came with the net, and it came with a chunk of wax paper to just make sure that the mold stays in place for this wig. And it looks beautiful so far underneath all the wrapping. The color is like a burgundy, and I was really nervous to buy this wig at first because it was a colored lace front. I usually like to buy 613 hair and dye it myself because you just never know what you're going to get with the quality. But right off the bat, it felt so soft. It felt so amazing. It was smooth. I was running my fingers through it. I loved it, and I couldn't wait to put it on. Now, if you're looking for a standard packaging, like with the box and like the wig cap and like the whole nine, you're probably not going to get it from this vendor, but it does come with a stretchy headband for the back. I did not use the headband because my head is already big as it is. But it does come with combs on the sides, on the inside as well, and in the back. And I thought that was pretty neat. Now it is listed as a transparent lace, and it's a 13 by 4. So you only got 4 inches of parting space, but it's 13, so it goes ear to ear as a frontal. And it's also 18 inches, which I thought it was amazing. And they said it's a straight wig, and that kind of made sense because I curled it and it held the curls decently. And then eventually the curls drop down, but I would love to straighten this and see what it looks like. I have not tried bleaching the hair, period. Don't think I'm going to because I wouldn't have a desired style and look or need for the bleach. But I definitely bleached the knots on top of it already coming with knots that were pretty transparent as well. But I just want to be very careful because I am a person of color, a girl of color, so I want to make sure everything matches. So I bleached the knots, and it came out pretty well. So I had to go ahead and get me together with this wig. I wore it on a night out to the bar. I did regular barrel curls with a curling iron, and I did my eyebrows to match, and that's what it looked like with the curls. It was beautiful. I did my baby hairs. I laid that thing down, honey. I looked so cute. And this is me just doing my whole little photo shoot video run so you guys can see how glamorous and luxurious this wig is. The curls did eventually drop, and I was going to expect that anyways because the wig is a straight wig to begin with. It was not a curly or body wave wig, so I can only imagine how the curls was going to hold up to begin with. So this makes me believe that the wig is going to be fantastic as a bone straight bust down part wig, but it also did decently for the curls as I went out for about, I want to say 3 hours, and it still held up pretty well. Now, if you're seeing this and you're still not sold on it because it's not a body wave wig and you really don't like the way the curls just dropped off the face of earth like that, that's fine because this vendor also has a body wave wig as well. If you click on the link in the bio for this wig, the vendor actually has a variety of different styles and suits for this wig. They have an ombre version, they have a bob version, all bright red, beautiful, all of that. Thank you so much for watching this channel. If you like what you see, tell everybody you know about me. Tell your mom, your aunt, your uncle, your friends, your brother, everybody you know about me in this channel. See you next video.